and thank you all for taking the time to join our panel session at CloudSlam 2010. My name is Bojan Simic. I'm a principal analyst at Track Research, and I have three folks join our panel session today that will discuss some of the key trends and best practices for monitoring performance of cloud services. So before we start our panel, I will take a few minutes just to introduce our panelists. I will start with Claudia Dent. She is Vice President of Product Management at Gomez. She's been her position since November of 2008, and she's responsible for driving Gomez product strategy and roadmap. Prior to joining Gomez, Claudia was held executive positions in companies that are ranging from VC-backed firms to large corporations. Most recently, she was Senior Vice President of Marketing at ONS Labs, and before that, she was VP of Business Development at IBM Rational, and also VP of Product Management at Rational Software. Also with us today, we have Chris O'Connell. Chris is Director of Product Marketing at Nimsoft. He's been in the IT business for over 20 years, and his position ranges from end user to vendor community. He joined Nimsoft just over 18 months ago, and at that time, Nimsoft launched its unified monitoring for data center and the cloud strategy, and which is currently being deployed by over 800 organizations worldwide. And we also have Marty Tal, who is Executive Vice President for Marketing, Product, and Corporate Development at Optier. Before founding Optier, Marty consulted with startup companies and VCs on business development projects. And prior to that, he served as VP of Business Strategy at Memco Software. Previously, Marty was Assistant Architect, Product Manager, and also Marketing Specialist with Advanced Technology, which is a Systems Integrator. He holds Bachelor of Science degree in Mathematics and Computer Science from Tel Aviv University, and also he began his career as one of the Israel Defense Forces computer centers, where he served in several software engineering roles. So first, I want to thank all of our panelists for taking the time to join us today. And one topic that I would like to start with is, from what we are seeing from our research, is that many organizations are talking more and more about deploying cloud services, and what we're seeing in the field is this is something that's not being limited to just asking questions and thinking about the future, but we are seeing more and more cloud deployments. On the other side, we have companies that are interested in benefits of the cloud, but they have some concerns about performance monitoring aspect and performance management aspect, and they're seeing cloud as something that can actually cause them to lose some of the visibility into performance of their IT services. So again, the question that I have for all of you is, from conversations that you are having with your customers, what are some of the key concerns that they have about managing performance of cloud services?
Yeah, so this is Claudia. I will talk about two major concerns that we hear most frequently. And the first is the fact that the cloud is opaque in a lot of ways in terms of performance. You don't have the same kinds of visibility that your IT operations staff are used to having with applications that live right behind their firewall. So that's clearly a concern. How do you get the visibility that you need to ensure that your users are experiencing application performance in a positive way. The second element is around the fact that, no matter how you slice it, at the end of the day, these are shared resources. And, even though they're very flexible and expandable because it is